Hello, my name is Maxim. Let me introduce you to a brand new WordPress theme, Olena. Before we install it on our test website, let's check the Olena theme on the demo website olena-theme.com.ua. The first section contains several live SVG images. These images make the website feel alive without any videos. The second section is one of the best sections on the website. When you scroll down, the section freezes and the images change. Hidden text expansion depends on the scroll position. You can easily change the images and text from the admin panel. The next section is the content slider section. The advantage of this slider is that you can place not only images but also text there. Here is the coolest section on the website. This is a horizontal scrolling section. When scrolling down, the blocks change not vertically but horizontally. Now we can see the pricing section. A fairly common section, but also uses animation to change content. In addition, the Olena theme provides a model window feature. You can add an unlimited number of models to your website. This section is about the Olena theme creator. And the last section on the homepage is the last new section. There are many interesting pages that you can check out for yourself. For now, let's just download the Olena theme and install it on our test website. To download the Olena theme, click the download button and enter your name, email address and some message. We downloaded the Olena theme to our PC and got ready to install it on our test website. Let's enter the admin panel. Go to Appearance, Theme page. Click Add New button. Next, click the Upload Theme button. Then click the Choose File button. Go to the place where we saved the Olena theme and pick up the zip archive. Click the Install Now button and finally click the Activate button. The Olena theme is activated and ready to go. Let's see how it looks now. It's our test website and here is our front page. As you can see, the sections and animations work well. There are just 3 issues that we should fix for now. First of all, there aren't any blog posts to display in the last section. We don't have menus and we don't have a logo. Let's fix the issues. Click the Edit Site button. Here is a sidebar with elements we can edit. Here you can check the pre-built blocks and sections that you can use in your website. Go to the front-end part and make some changes. Let's change the logo. The next step is to add a menu. Then click the Create Menu button and finally add some menu items. Also, we can rename the menu. Press the Save button to see your changes on the front page. As you can see, the logo and main menu work well. We have one more issue in the pricing section. Here we also should add a menu to switch sections. Let's find the pricing section and add two menu items. Annually and monthly. To open a particular section, we should use its ID in our menu. Now we can enter the website and see the price switcher. Works perfectly. The basic settings are ready and our test website can be used on the internet. Simply change the text and images to make the site unique. Thank you for watching the video. Go to Olena's website and get your free WordPress Olena theme.